Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to day 11 of our January daily math. Number one, we're going to write less than, greater than, or equal to. We're going to look at, on this side, we have 1/4 or 2 dimes. So we're going to look at the value in that. So 1/4 is 25 cents. 2 dimes is 10/20 cents. So 25 is greater than alligator mouth to the left there, right? Okay. Number two, 18. This number is even or odd. So we're going to look at the 8 in 18 in the ones column, and we see that 8 is able to be put into two equal piles, 4 and 4. So this is an even number. Number 3. Like all penguins, Belle cannot fly, but she's a fast swimmer. She swims across her pool in 5 seconds. How many seconds will it take her to swim 3 times across the pool? So we go 5 seconds for 1, and then another time is 5 seconds, and another time is 5 seconds. So how long would it take her to do 3 times? 5, 10, 15. And we'll write down seconds, because I see how many, and we'll circle that next word of seconds. Number 4 says, what time is on this clock? So first let's look at the hour hand. We see that it's between the 6 and the 7, so it's going to be 6 something. Now we're going to look at the minute hand. It reaches all the way out and touches the 6. So that's going to be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Count by 5, so that's 30. Halfway around, so 6:30. Number 5, complete the first fact, then write the fact family. So we have 9 plus something equals 14. Well, that's 9 plus 5. And we're going to flip that around and say 5 plus 9 equals 14. Now when we do subtraction, the big number goes first. So 14 minus 9 is 5. And 14 minus 5 is 9. Lily's got her toy. That's great. So there you go, boys and girls. Check your work. Write down how you did. And we will see you tomorrow for day 12.